Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to bind phone number in Kucoin. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Kucoin, click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, binding your phone number in Kucoin offers several benefits that enhances security and enable access to additional features here on the platform. Because for one, binding your phone number adds an extra layer of security to your Kucoin account. It enables two-factor authentication or 2FA via SMS, which of course helps protect your account from unauthorized access, phishing attacks, and account breaches. Say for example, in the past, I forgot my password or I encountered issues accessing my Kucoin account. So having a bound phone number allows me to have an easier access account recovery. And of course, you can use your phone number to send verification codes or your account recovery instructions. So how do we do it? It's very easy and straightforward because all I have to do is hover to the upper right corner of your dashboard. And from here, all I have to do is click on the account security. Now, once you are here, as you can see, my phone number is not yet bind to my Kucoin account. So all I have to do is click on the link. But once you have bind your phone number, the link should be changed from unbind. Okay, so I'm gonna put I'm gonna click on the option to link or bind, and you will be directed to a new page. And all I have to do, alright, as you can see, for your security withdrawals and P2P transactions in red packet will be temporarily unavailable for the next 24 hours after changing or unbinding a mobile number. Alright, and all I have to do is click on your put your email verification code and you would be able to bind your mobile phone number here. Alright, and all I have to do is just continue and you're good to go. Now the thing is, when binding your phone number in Kucoin or any other platform, ensure that you use a secured and verified phone number. It's also important to keep your phone number and account information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Now, in the event that you are having problems binding your phone number here in Kucoin, all you have to do is just contact the Kucoin help center, and from here, these are the channels that you can select so that you can troubleshoot the error itself, all right? Basically, that's going to be 2FA related. But of course, you also have an option to click on this little chat box wherein there's going to be a virtual assistant that's going to be helpful to provide any solutions in case you have any questions about your phone number binding. And here, click on ask something else, and when you got a hold of a live agent, tell them you're having problems binding your phone number here in Kucoin account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.